Hi, it's Mike. Today we're in a local IKEA store getting some ideas for a condo we're going to be working on in Scottsdale. One thing about IKEA is they put together these little showrooms where you can get ideas of great color combinations and design styles. Let's go take a look. So there you have it. We got some good ideas today. Just really enjoy looking at the colors and stuff and the different styles of furniture. Even though it's inexpensive furniture, it still gives you ideas of what colors would go great together. So now we're going to finish up with a little bite of lunch at the restaurant and we'll head out. Talk to you on the next video.